Hello everyone! Today I will be showing everyone a quick MAF sensor cleaning, which doesn't take too long and isn't too hard. Doing a MAF sensor cleaning in a while will make your car's life longer and have a nice experience with it. If you have rough idling, poor performance, or the RPM isn't stable or is higher than always. You would want first to get the tools needed. Get a place where you will place everything. Firstly, get a cloth or a tissue where you will place your MAF sensor. Then get a special cleaner, but in my case I used WD-40. In my case I used a multi-bit screwdriver set, but you can use a normal screwdriver. So in most VAG cars, and not only, this is the place you would find the MAF sensor. Here you got a small pin that holds it. You would want to pull it up with the MAF sensor together. Nicely tight. Take a quick watch at the connectors too. If it's rusted, I don't think cleaning will improve anything. Then you got two bolts that holds the MAF sensor to its cage, if I can name it like that. In my case I will need a minus-pointed screwdriver. In my case I need to use SL6, but if I had SL8, which is bigger, it would be easier, but I do it with what I got. For people with a screwdriver set like me, use this one, but look at the bolts too, might be different than mine. Grip it tightly because you'll need some torque, but if it's just stripping the bolt and not rotating, use WD-40 and give it some minutes. Place the bolt in the safe zone so it won't disappear randomly. They should be another model of bolts, but of course my car is made of random parts, not even worrying. This one might fall down into the engine bay. I am not risking it. Same thing as the first bolt. Now, the O-ring and the debris is holding it hella tight, so you would need to apply some strength. Place your hand against the cage and pull the MAF sensor out. Here I had to stop the video so I can try with both hands. This is it. Mine isn't so dirty because I cleaned it already 2 or 3 months ago, but if you didn't do that for a while, expect the hell there. Now, before placing it down, spread the cloth so you can place the MAF sensor there. Now grab your WD-40 and apply it on one side and let it sit for 30 seconds, then do it again until you're done with all parts. Speeding the video so you guys won't wait that much. By the way, look at the O-ring seal. If it's in a bad condition, replace it. Anyways, you should apply some WD-40 to the bolts too, for anti-corrosion, so it would be easier for you later on. After you've done everything, just wrap the cloth from all 4 sides and clean the MAF sensor with it so you clean the harder cleaned debris. Now just grab it and place it where the sunlight will dry the WD-40, and you're gonna place it back in. You should come back to it and rotate on the other side so it is getting dried evenly. If you let it sit there for 30 minutes, you should do it from 5 to 10 minutes. Now the bolts have no rust on them. It had a little bit at the beginning. Place them in the same place where you left the MAF sensor too. While you're waiting for them to dry, get that cloth and just clean the place where the MAF sensor stays so it will stay tight into place and make a nice contact between the two plastics. Sped up to 2x. Now don't be like me. Put the bolts where the MAF sensor was staying before cleaning the cage of the MAF. I accidentally forgot to put them there first. Now I returned after 30 minutes. Wasn't really dry, like totally dried up, but it's understandable. WD-40 is like grease but in a good mode, so it will just dry in the car. Now I did record the video where I putted it all back, but at the end my phone turned off, so I lost that footage. But it's as easy as you got it out. It only goes in one way, so don't worry. So guys, thanks for watching my video. I really wanted to post the whole video, but of course this happens only to me. Anyways, I wanted to remind everyone. Please subscribe if you liked my content and want more content for the future. Seeing everyone subscribing is making me feel better and motivate me to improve and make more videos day to day. Currently, from 100% of viewers, I only got 16% of people subscribed. The rest are 83% that didn't. Hit that like button too. I am waiting for comments with tips, questions, and more.